Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most charismatic modern classics in the motorcycling world, the 2026 Triumph Street Twin. Renowned for its timeless design, strong mid-range performance, and everyday comfort, the Street Twin has long been a favorite among riders who love classic style blended with modern technology. The 2026 version refines this balance even further, making it one of the most appealing retro roadsters on the market today. Let's dive into what makes it special. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Triumph Street Twin carries forward its signature vintage-inspired silhouette, featuring a sculpted fuel tank, brushed metal accents, and that unmistakable Triumph badge. Subtle tweaks to the tank badges, new cast wheels, and refreshed color options like jet black and matte silver ice add modern flair without losing the bike's old-school charm. The minimalist design, paired with high-quality finishes, gives it a premium, handcrafted look that turns heads both at stoplights and cafes. Performance and powertrain. At its heart, the 2026 Street Twin is powered by a 900 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers around 65 horsepower and a healthy 80 Nm of torque. The engine has been refined for smoother throttle response and better low-end pull, making it ideal for both city rides and open-road cruising. The 5-speed gearbox feels precise, while the torque assist clutch ensures easy gear changes. Triumph's tuning gives it a deep, throaty exhaust note that perfectly matches its classic attitude. Safety and technology. While it looks retro, the Street Twin is packed with modern tech. It comes equipped with dual-channel ABS, switchable traction control, and 2 riding modes, road and rain, to adapt to changing conditions. The bike also includes LED lighting, an immobilizer, and USB charging for added convenience. The analog-digital instrument cluster maintains the vintage feel while displaying all the essential info clearly. Triumph's build quality and attention to safety ensure every ride feels confident and composed. Conclusion. The 2026 Triumph Street Twin continues to represent the perfect harmony between nostalgic styling and contemporary performance. It's a motorcycle built for those who appreciate craftsmanship, smooth torque delivery, and refined simplicity. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, the new Street Twin delivers an authentic, soulful riding experience that's unmistakably Triumph. Stay tuned to Highway Legends for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the most iconic machines on the road.